Have I made it out of my potato era? Not quite, but we have been making progress, starting with this gate that Ryan built for our fence, but I cannot take credit for that. But I can take some credit for the arbor we're in the process of building. And you guys remember all of that dirt leveling that we did? Well, Teddy ruined it because he loves to dig holes. But thankfully, Winnie played police officer and enforced Teddy and told him he can't dig holes anymore. Go, Winnie. In other news, I don't know if I've ever mentioned to you guys, but I am taking on another interior design project. It's kind of under the radar, but I am looking at some showrooms right now and sourcing materials for the project. This one actually isn't a house project. This is one for a client, so stay tuned for more. On a completely unrelated note, this is really more advocating for my lack of potato-ness. This week, I baked a cake for Valentine's Day for Ryan and for me, because who am I kidding? Anyways, I didn't have enough ingredients to make a full batch of frosting, so it's kind of rustic, but it tasted amazing. Anyways, that's it for now. Bye!